Hi, my GE air conditioner keeps blinking and won't turn on. All the lights are blinking and the filter light is the only one blinking in red. And I have cleaned the filter but the lights are all blinking still.
Do you know the model of your GE AC unit? When did you last replace the air filter?
I just bought it in July. No, I don't know the model number, sorry.
The HVAC technician can help you find the model number for your air conditioner. I'll connect you shortly. How long has this been going on with your GE air conditioner? What have you tried so far?
I just cleaned the filter, nothing is changing.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
All the lights are beeping and blinking but the only one red is the filter light, but it has been chaotic.
Hi, my name is Em, your personal HVAC/appliance expert on JustAnswer. I'm sorry to hear you're having issues with your equipment today. I know firsthand how frustrating that can be. If you give me a few moments, I will provide a response to you on your issue. Hope you are doing well today. Is the unit also flashing 88?
No. Just all lights are blinking and beeping.
Can you give me the model number? And verify the unit is also not flashing 88. Thank you again for visiting JustAnswer. Based on the information you have provided, I would like to give you a general answer to your question. If this does not solve your problem or you need additional follow-ups, please respond here with the information I requested and we can troubleshoot your problem further. Answer: based on what you've told me, if all the lights are beeping, this is a broad error condition. That means the compressor has failed to start, due to bad capacitor or board, or it's overheating, overamping, or you've got a faulty control board/sensors. A multimeter with the ability to read capacitance would be needed to rule out the capacitor and ohm out the compressor. When you get into things like the board being bad, it's generally not worth repairing. Since this is under a year old, I recommend you utilize GE's warranty. They should replace it/repair it with no hassle. You can get a hold of them at 1800 cares. Let me know if you need anything else. Have a wonderful day. Tamar.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.